one of the biggest questions that people are asking and they're wondering about is, will home values stay strong and stay consistent here in DFW? And there are many home buyers who are on the sideline waiting for home values to drop so they can go in and scoop up a really good deal. Whether you're a buyer or a seller, the number one ratio to look at is months of supply of inventory. So months of supply of inventory basically states how long it would take for a number of homes to sell off in a given number of months. So to put it into reference, at 6 months, anything above 6 months is considered a buyer's market. Anything below that 6-month mark is considered a seller's market. So right now here in DFW, we're roughly around 3 months of inventory in the market. So that's pretty good. So even though buyer demand has decreased, that's very true, the number of homes in the market have decreased as well, which has leveled off. So overall, it seems like we're going to still stay strong with our home values here in DFW and Texas as a whole. Now, if you want to know the value of your home, we have a new program to help you sell your home in as little as 72 hours for 100% of full market value with no physical showings. Go to 72soldmetroplex.com and enter your address. Again, that's 72soldmetroplex.com.